The Volatility Index, widely known by its ticker symbol VIX, is a financial metric that captures the market's expectations of future volatility. Often referred to as the fear gauge, the VIX measures the anticipated fluctuations in the S&P 500 index over the coming 30 days, as implied by the prices of options contracts. Picture a bustling trading floor. Every eye is trained on flickering screens filled with numbers. In the background, the VIX ticks up or down, almost like a heartbeat reflecting the underlying anxiety or calm within the market. But what exactly causes this pulse to quicken or slow? The VIX does not predict whether markets will go up or down. Instead, it gauges how much movement investors expect. When markets are steady and rising, the VIX typically remains low, signaling confidence and relative calm. But during times of uncertainty, such as geopolitical crises, unexpected economic reports, or sell-offs, the VIX can surge, signaling that traders expect large swings in prices. To calculate the VIX, mathematical models analyze a diverse range of option prices on the S&P 500, specifically those that mature in the next month. Options are contracts providing the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell at a specific price. When traders anticipate bigger moves ahead, they pay more for these options. This increased cost feeds directly into a higher VIX reading. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, the VIX spiked to historic highs, above 80, as markets swung wildly. In contrast, during periods of prolonged growth and low stress, the VIX may settle below 15. Investors and portfolio managers closely watch the VIX because it can serve as an early warning signal. High VIX readings might make some investors more cautious, prompting them to reduce risk. At the same time, a rising VIX can create opportunities for others. Some traders even use specialized futures or exchange-traded products to bet on volatility itself. Understanding the VIX is about reading the market's collective mood. It's less a precise forecast and more a weather report, hinting at possible storms or stretches of clear skies ahead. While it shouldn't be the only tool used to navigate financial markets, it remains an invaluable barometer of sentiment, one that helps decode the shifting winds of investor confidence and caution.